Hello everyone, and welcome back to TechBlock. Today we have a PlayStation 4 on the couch there that we're going to be unboxing, setting up and hooking up to the TV over here. I have not unboxed or even set up a console for I don't even know how many years. I used to have an Xbox 360, that's I think the last console I had and I actually used. And I had that Xbox 360 I think up to around 2014. Until I sold it and just stuck to PC gaming. But today, a PS4 showed up. This is not my PS4, I did not buy this PS4, and Sony didn't send this out to us. I have a roommate, and he happened to just order a PS4 out of nowhere without telling me. So now we have a PS4, sick! Also, we have a pair of AirPods here that he bought for himself. But today, the video is pretty much just focused around unboxing and setting up a PS4. Of course, cable managing all of it, and you know, making everything look pretty tidy behind this TV. Well, not behind the TV, somewhere like on one of the TV stand shelves down there is where we're going to be putting the PS4. We do have a functional internet connection now, and apparently this PS4 comes with FIFA 20, but it's like a game that you have to download. It doesn't come via disc form or anything like that. You literally have to download. I mean, it says like, how many gigs is this freaking game? Because I have a feeling FIFA 20 is not a small, it's 50 gigabytes minimum. Sick! 50 gigs on an ADSL connection, that don't take long at all to download. No seriousness, that game is probably going to be downloading for at least 8 hours over our potato internet connection. I could hook it up to our EE super fast broadband over 4G, and that would only take us maybe like an hour or two to download the entire game, but it would also cost us around £50 in data. So we're going to download it on the unlimited ADSL connection instead. Right, I'm going to get my karambit knife. Let's get this guy unboxed. Also, you may notice this whole contraption in the living room. I am spray painting cables. You'll know why I'm spray painting cables in a video coming up soon. But I basically bought a bunch of spray paint, dust sheets to protect the floors, and we're essentially going to be painting a bunch of cables white, which I'll tell you more about in a future video. Right, we've got the karambit. Let's get this PS4 unboxed and set up. Oh my god. All right, PS4. How does this thing even open? Oh, does it slide out? Okay, it does. We have a box within a box. Okay, we have another box inside here. Ooh, what the hell? We have a controller, okay. Followed by another controller. Oh boy, what the hell is this? Absolute potato earphones. Comes with HDMI cable, as well as the power cable. 2 pins, 5 amps. Cool. Anything else we got in here? Oh, we have a micro USB cable, I'm guessing to charge the controllers. That's it, that's that box empty. We have a quick start guide. Well, I think I can figure out how to set up a console. Okay, HDMI cable, we will actually take advantage of this, why not? They give us a brand new one, may as well use it. It doesn't seem to be a very long cable either, which is good, because we don't really need a long cable. This is what the DualShock controller or whatever? I don't really know. I don't know too much about consoles, nor do I know too much about PS4 especially. I used to be on Xbox, but now we're switching to PS4. Oh, there's FIFA 20. Wait, is there an actual disc inside? Do we not have to spend 4 decades downloading this over a potato internet connection? I mean, there's surely a disc in here, right? I can kind of hear stuff inside. Wow, it does come with a disc. Cool. I see, so they give you a voucher code to download like bonus digital content from their store. And then we also have Play FIFA 20 online. Oh, this is the PlayStation Plus trial. Okay, so it has 2 USB ports on the front, I'm guessing to charge 2 controllers. We have LAN, HDMI, a weird looking aux cable, power. I think I just ran into a problem when it comes to power. I'm gonna put the PS4 like right here. Yeah, that works. And I'm gonna have to run every cable through this thingy there to achieve somewhat okay cable management. I also need an Ethernet cable. And when it comes to Ethernet cables, I do have quite the collection, but they're all either way too short or way too long. I don't really have anything in between. It's either it's like a freaking 10-meter cable or something, or it's like 0.25 meters long. We do have this guy, which, no, this is, what, 50 centimeters in length? Cat 5e. Let's pop this guy into Orbi. And then will this reach the PS4? Ooh, I don't know about that. No, that is way too short, man. There's no way this is reaching the PS4. We have this cable, also the same length, isn't it? Yeah, god damn it, okay. I need like a 1 meter cable, or like 0.70. Ooh, speak of the devil, we have, I believe, a 1 meter cable. Ethernet is in, okay. What else did I need to plug in? Oh yeah, power. Power is quite important, isn't it? Now we've run into another problem. We don't have any more power sockets behind this TV to actually power anything. So I'm gonna bring over like a power extension lead. So let's unplug this. Oh, that's my BT router. Whoops, now we don't have internet. But we can plug it into this power extension, then plug the PS4 into the power extension as well. Then we can take the power extension and kind of just plop it there along with the rest of the cables, because these aren't really in sight. Excellent cable management, I know, right? On the bright side, this thing should probably work now. How do you turn it on? Is that button? Okay. We've turned the PS4 on. Let's turn the the old TV on as well. Source, HDMI, oh, scanning for devices, PlayStation 4. Changing source to PlayStation 4. Okay, so now we have PS4 there. Cool. It's like an app. PlayStation 4 HDMI 2, 1080p, game mode is turned on. Connect the DualShock wireless controller using the USB cable, then press the PlayStation button. We have connected it via the USB cable. Press the PlayStation button. I've done that. Do I press and hold it? What do I do? I mean, I pressed it. There's even a diagram to show you how to do it. Are you drunk? How many times do I have to press it? Have I plugged it into like the wrong one? Should it be plugged into this USB port instead? What the hell's the difference? Do I press and hold it? Frankly, I don't know what's wrong with it. Is this the wrong controller I'm using? Like, should I be using this controller? The setup process is going great. Can I just pop the game in? How do you do that? Okay, so that's the eject button. Wow. Okay, let's pop a game inside. I can't remember the last time I've actually used a physical disc. Because on PC, we have Steam, we don't really have discs anymore. People don't really use discs, which if the game's actually on the disc, that's gonna be pretty damn good, because I have potato internet connection here. Hello? Do I have to like mash this button? This PS4 is broken, man. Is this micro USB cable just like terrible quality or something? Like, can I turn this thing off? I've had enough of this PlayStation. Preparing to turn off the PS4. All right, good. Okay, can we turn it back on? Game mode is turned off. Oh, so the TV actually has a gaming mode. That's kind of cool. PlayStation, no signal. Really? If this thing still doesn't work? What? Whoa, this is actually a button here? What is this? Okay, press. I give up. Well, setting up the PS4 has been a great experience so far. Nothing works. We have managed to turn it on. We've put the disc in. However, it's telling us like, plug in the PS4 controller via USB. All right, we did that. Then it's like, then press PlayStation button. Okay, we pressed the PlayStation button. I've tried pressing and holding the PlayStation button. I've tried just pressing it. Literally nothing happens. Are you meant to like mash this button repeatedly for hours? I feel like the micro USB cable that they gave me is such crap quality that it doesn't even work. I do have loads of spare micro USB cables that I can use. Hell, we'll use Logitech's lovely braided micro USB cable instead of the potato PlayStation 4 one that came with the PlayStation 4. Let's see if this one's any better. Okay, I've plugged the Logitech one inside. Are you kidding me? You are kidding me, right? The controller just turned like yellow there. The micro USB cable that came with the PlayStation 4, defective. What the hell? At least Logitech didn't let us down. They have high quality micro USB cables. I can continue setting up this console. So we need English. Welcome to PlayStation 4. Next. Checking network environment. It should be good. Connect PlayStation camera. We don't have a camera. London, yeah, the date is, is it 5:32? It's 5:29. Set the time until the PS4 automatically turns off when you're not. Okay, so general 20 minutes, 4 hours media playback. Cool. Select the features you want to use in rest mode. Supply power to USB ports. Yeah, let's do always, why not? Enable turning on PS4 from network. Ooh, that's cool. Sure. Start now. And oh boy, there's an update already. Oh god. Let's hope it's not a big file. We only have an ADSL connection. Well, that's probably going to be it for today's video, guys. Thank you all so much for watching. This is going to probably be downloading and installing itself for a considerable amount of time. Whether or not you'll ever see a video of me actually using the PS4 is questionable. Installing update file. Oh damn dude, it's so quick. Well, if you want to go pick up a PS4, I'll leave a link in the description down below to Amazon where you can buy one, and I'll probably leave another link down there to where you can buy FIFA 20 as well. Thanks for watching guys, hope to see you in another video soon that probably won't be related to consoles.